Yo, what's up guys? Today we're playing some Animal Company for the first time on this channel. It's kind of confusing to me, but whatever. My sub count for right now is 990. So if you guys can help me get to 1,000, I only need 10 more subscribers. So let's just go into a code.
Yo, can somebody give me a revolver? I'll give them a Minecraft pickaxe.
Well, that's cool. I like that. The AC. This is kind of weird. Oh yeah, today we're playing Animal Company. Whoa, what the heck? Minecraft? This game to me is kind of confusing, so. Goku? Long arms. I can't, hold on. How do I get it? Uh, uh. Oh, what the heck? This is sick. I might have a new fan code in this, but I might just make one up. Yeah, I might just make up a fan code. Money talks. I wonder what happens if I sell this. That's totally not scary. Okay. 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 Money talks. Watch it give me nothing. 28 is not that terrible. I'm not gonna care. What happens if I sell this? I wonder what happens if I sell the items that I buy. What? Money talks. Money talks. Well, it's gonna give me like nothing. Seven. Okay. It's not like any of that matters though, so. We'll see. Ooh, the April Fool's update is still here. Ew, I got the cheese touch. What's this do? Whoa, you can see the stink things are still there. Do I still have them? No, I don't. That scared me. I'm gonna go join a public. Look, Minecraft. Oh my gosh, turtle. How do you leave? What is that? Oh, promo code. I'm good. Boing. New Schmackle video. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I've got so much money, valuable items.
Does anybody have any ammo?
If someone who had a bunch of money,
What skin should I get?
Minecraft.
No, I'm asking people in the game.
How do you buy ammo?
Standing by the computer.
You know how to buy ammo? You know how to buy ammo?
That would suck. No, I'm just gonna drop it in. I hope that doesn't happen.
Hey guys, do you know how this?
Oh no! He took my box full of valuable.
Oh god, let me out! No, let me out!
You did what was best for this country.
No, you just executed.
Why do I have it?
I need to know. Bro, that guy
Give me everything, two of us.
Does anybody? How do you get big? 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 Please
Show me the way.
tell me how you get big, please.
Okay, this is basically my new economy.
All right.
I gotta buy stuff with this.
That guy.
Show me the ways, boys.
Bro, he took a
Show me the way
L
how to
for real.
live. Perfect.
He took a total L.
What is this?
Do
So
it.
imagine getting
Stop
failed
it!
and never be me.
Stop it!
Ew!
Bro, that's seriously Swiss cheese. That's
Oh no, he died. Anyways, I'm taking this.
How much money did we
I'll
get?
take this.
14?
Yay! Okay, just keep that in his hands. Don't give it back.
Yeah. Can you teach me how to
Oh,
get big?
yum.
Can you teach me how to get big?
Yo,
Ooh.
what character should I get?
Bro, I got his art gun.
Dude, you don't get it. It's called Aura.
Yo, dude, what character should I get?
I
What
said
character should
I
I get?
had you.
What character should you get? You should get your Jamal character. You should get Jamal. Hey,
Hey,
sir, would you like a picture? Would you like a picture, sir? Sir,
Unless it's of
would you like
someone's
a
butthole, I don't want it.
what animal should I get?
Any last words?
Jamal picture. You should get. Oh my god! I love your picture, sir.
Wait, can you tell me how to
I
get
can't see
big?
myself in it. I'm just gonna
Can
assume
you
that
guys
it's
tell me
there.
how to get ammo?
Mwah, mwah.
Can you tell me how to get ammo?
Look, full day.
No,
What should I get?
sir.
It's a
Bro, look
wonderful
at me,
day,
says I
guys,
had.
right?
I have 16, and I got 4 in a row. By the planetarium. Actually, I have an
Does anybody know how to get ammo?
SpongeBob Catfish.
Wait, you have a skeleton? Yes,
Bro.
Wait, do you know how to get ammo?
Can have a shredder. Am I
Me?
cool since I got this, boys?
Me?
No.
Grappler guy?
Hey, can somebody teach me how to get ammo?
Who wants a free rocket launcher?
Me, please,
Oh, what a
me,
steal.
Who would love a free rocket launcher?
You get it. It's called Aura.
Bro, and
It's called Aura.
How do?
Bro, orange, and also you don't have that. You don't have that though.
Wait, do you guys know how to get ammo?
Yeah, orange.
guys know how to
You
get
don't have
ammo?
aura, dude. This how you get ammo, Bucko.
You guys know how to get ammo?
No, orange snapper. This how you get ammo, you whippersnapper. No, don't do it, please. First of all, you're supposed to get okay. So first of all,
Please,
okay. So you're supposed to click it. You're supposed to click it by pressing your bottom trigger.
please.
Thank you, sir, for this.
Was it worth
Bottom
it?
trigger.
You made me
Bottom
die.
trigger. This trigger. Bottom trigger.
I know.
Hey,
Now what?
hey. Like, hey, orange. You're supposed to click it. After that, right here. Drag it away. Click it as free. Drag it away. Click it and drag your death was free, so it was good.
Give it to me.
Hey, bro, who's this? Who's this?
Give it to me.
It's me.
Come on, then.
How do you
Come
get
on.
ammo?
Pump down, bitch.
I'll
A free.
I'll trade you this.
A free.
I'll trade. I want it.
How do you
I'll
activate
trade
Who wants to trade me for this? Who wants to trade me
Oh
for
my
this?
lord.
I'll trade you the regular one for this.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. Where am I? Somebody help. I just went across the map with 2 fireworks. Somebody help. I just went across the map with 2 fireworks. How do I get back? Over. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Is there fall damage? No, there's not. I know what you do. Ow, I just hit my nuts.
Would you like something orange? I said orange. Would you like something free?
Yes, I would. Can I?
I'm gonna kill you. You'll be executed.
I got a pickaxe.
You'll be executed on April 2nd, April 10th, 2025 at 10:30 p.m. At 10:30 p.m.
Let me just.
will be your live execution. I can still see you. I'm staring at you. Will execute you on April 4th, 2025 at 11.
Are these regular?
30.
You're under here.
Oh, give me that.
I'll trade you this.
No.
I hate how you can like go across the map with the weapons in your hands. I got a flashlight. Where is it? How does it go in? I'm scared. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it went in. Like, get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm scared. I'm scared. The explosion scared me for a little bit. Oh my lord.
I see him, guys.
Where does this bug go?
You tried to
Animal
execute
Company
me.
is so...
Does anybody want me to
I
do
know.
for them? You? Here, come here.
Okay.
Join the code JK70.
You're currently being recorded. I currently don't care I'm being recorded because I'm Amazon! Amazon! I'm on Amazon!
What are you gonna do? I wouldn't.
There we go.
Nothing in this. There's nobody in this.
How much did I get?
Why is it not letting me go in?
Only 89? That's kind of sweet. I'm at 90. Oh, hi. Okay.
Chase,
If you find me, you'll hang me from the rafters.
loving you is
Okay.
a moaning game.
Oh, hi.
What? It's him!
Bro,
Execute him!
when I get my
Execute
hands
him!
on you!
Bro, who was saying loving
Bro,
you
where's this
is a
plankton
moaning
guy
game?
at?
I said that loving you is a
plankton guy-
moaning game.
How do you buy different
What did
stuff?
you say to me?
What you was?
What did you say to me? I'm gonna execute.
Yo, Orange, is your giant self gonna defeat
Oh,
this
yeah.
though?
I'm sorry.
Is your
Actually, that's live a single day.
Goodbye!
Yes.
Can somebody help me? How do you get other stuff? What the heck?
Let me in there.
Let me in there.
Did you guys like it? Dude, it's called Aura! You wouldn't get it!
Bro, what is this?
It's called Aura. It's called Aura.
That is
Come here.
pure stench.
What is this?
That is pure
Come on,
stench.
come on, look.
Cheese ball.
Oh yeah? Well,
Cheese ball. Cheese ball.
what? You got a problem?
Cheese ball.
Give me your Aura.
You're a scammer. You deserve to die.
Can somebody help me get other stuff? Can somebody help me get other stuff?
No.
Oh wait,
Can't stop. I will be the one that I. Ugly.
I am dual wielding. I have long arms.
what did you just do? Did you just sell the cheese?
Oh God, he's dead. Time for your execution.
nothing. Are you guys just executing people?
Can you help me get other stuff?
You made the wrong decision.
Give me the squiggly.
Oh God! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't! Please don't!
You don't want to trade these two?
Me.
Excuse me? How do you get other stuff?
Is that thing by the back?
How do you get other stuff?
What do you mean?
Anyone want to trade?
Do you know how to get other stuff? I need help.
Look at him. Look at
Oh
him.
yeah, you get it from here.
Yeah, but it also says locked. How do I unlock it?
I mean there.
You want
What?
this grappler?
How do you unlock it? How do you unlock the other stuff?
From that place in the VR headset.
Oh, okay.
What?
Have lobster tools that I can trade for.
Yeah.
Someone just yelled.
Alright, bet.
Whoa. 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 I'm just kidding. TNT. How do I get to this stuff? Hey bro, can you help me? I don't know what to do.
Just buy things, bruh.
I can't. How? How do I buy stuff? How do you buy stuff? I died. I don't know. This is hard. How do you get gems? Excuse me, how do you get gems and stuff? I'm Spider-Man! Do you know how to get gems? Yes.
Yeah. You either have to mine these purple things, or you could just like or you could just get company save up for company coins and go in there buy them, or you could buy them with cash.
Hello, monkey.
Oh, I have 5. No! No. Please don't. Please don't.
You get 44 dollars just for selling 40.
Bro, guys, don't sell it yet. Don't sell it yet.
Okay. How do I get the dynamite? Where do I get the dynamite? That's the real question. Weird gloves. Somebody help me! But I actually don't know what to do. How do I buy things? Do I hit it? Oh! I'm getting this. Yay! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it exploded. Ah! No, it didn't. What is this? Cube dynamite? Okay. Oh. Yeah, I want this crowbar. Unlocked. Anxiety. I think I'll get the glow stick. Why not? I have 2 left. I got the glow stick. I finally got some new stuff. Oh my gosh, I don't want to fall.
Amazon!
Yay, I got new stuff. I got new stuff.
Oh,
I got
let me just show it to you.
explosives.
Yoink. Ah!
Explosives.
Wait, Bo, can I have one? Can I have one?
Hello.
Oh, that's really small.
Create a nuclear bomb.
Who wants a pickaxe?
The world center. Oh, poop.
Give me one! Who wants this dynamite?
The world is ending. Oh, shit. The world's ending. Oh, shit.
Holy!
Where'd you go?
Holy, I'm gonna go
Well,
mining. I'm gonna go mining.
hold on, wait.
Yo. What the?
What the?
I'll see
That's
you
the
later.
end of today's
Hey, you,
video.
hey, you. Who wants a pickaxe? You wanna go mining? You wanna go mining? Orange, orange.
You got free grappler, by the way.
Mining?
See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ah!
Okay. If you